So today we are going to be talking about Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2% Face Serum. So I'm going to be disclosing all the ingredients present in it, and I'm going to be telling you if this product is worth purchasing. For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, vlogs, and also drawing videos. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like this video, also subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow when you guys follow me, subscribe to me, and I can reach out to more and more people with my videos. Actually, in my comment section, I was getting a lot of viewers asking me about the Be Minimalist brand that is from India, and they wanted me to review few of their products. So I had to make this video. So the product that is today is going to be the Salicylic Acid 2%. So I came across this product and it is known as the best-selling product from their brand, and I had to see what are the different ingredients present in it. So the first ingredient is aqua, that is water. So it's going to be a lightweight formulation because it's going to be mostly built up by the water. Then there is methylpropanoidinol, which is a humectant which helps with holding the water onto the top layer of your skin. Then there comes the butylene glycol. This is also a humectant. These all are like different molecular weight humectants, so they are helping to hold the water onto the top layer of your skin. So they are kind of hydrating your skin. They are helping to enrich your skin with more and more water. Then there is dimethyl isosorbide. Now this is a texture enhancer. It helps for the penetration of the different ingredients. Then comes this salicylic acid. Now, as I said before, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. It helps for the exfoliation purpose. It loosens up the dead skin from the top layer of your skin, and then it helps to remove the debris. It helps to remove the dirt from the clogged pores, or it kind of loosens up the dirt that is clogging the pores. So it has a very beneficial effect when it comes to regulation of sebum and cleaning and exfoliation of the skin. So that's why it is preferred better in concentration of 1 to 2% in the skincare as compared to the alpha hydroxy acid. There are different ranges of alpha hydroxy acid, and it's not well tolerated by different skin tones. Like alpha hydroxy acid, which is glycolic acid, cannot be well tolerated by skin of color because of its molecular weight, its size. It's very small, it penetrates deeper, it can target the melanocytes. Whereas there is mandelic acid, which is preferred better, but there is like wide ranges of alpha hydroxy acid. That's a whole new video, okay, I can make. But here the concentration is more about the salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is very good for skin of color or Caucasian skin. It's not like narrowed down to Caucasian skin. Different concentrations are used. Higher concentrations are prescribed by the doctors, but 1 to 2% is usually used in the skincare industry, and it is known to show really good benefits when it comes to cleaning your skin by some sort of dirt, or else there is some sort of clogged pores and your skin looks very dull. So salicylic acid kind of brings that forward and cleanses your face. It brings that glow on the face. Then there is Marobium vulgare extract. Now this is an antioxidant, as it's a plant-derived extract. It helps with the removal of the free radicals, helping to reduce that oxidation that can lead to aging of the skin. So it's a kind of a plus when you add antioxidant. There is also another antioxidant, that is EGCG. This is a very powerful antioxidant. Usually I have seen like EGCG in the formulations which is like very dedicated towards antioxidants. There are different plant-derived extract. EGCG is there, vitamin E is there. So these all are like antioxidant. Even vitamin C is an antioxidant. So EGCG efficiently removes the free radicals, but here it is less than 1%, which is very minute fraction of a percent. So its this serum's main job is to bring back that healthy skin by exfoliating the dead skin as well as removing the dirt from the pores. So the EGCG is just a plus because it is helping to remove the free radicals as well, helping with the anti-aging benefits. The next ingredient that is very interesting here is the oligopeptide 10. Now oligopeptide 10 helps with the production of collagen. So when you apply it on the skin, it just penetrates, it goes to the fibroblast as well as collagen production. So this gives a rigid shape to the skin. If you have a dull skin, your skin has gone through acne problems and there is a lot of bumps on the skin and it's irregular texture, then the peptides are added to bring back that healthy skin barrier, to bring back that even looking skin, because it helps with the production of collagen and that starts to give a rigid shape all over evenly, that leads to a nice flawless skin. So this whole serum, looking at the formulation, I do feel that it is for the oily, acne prone skin. If you are suffering from extremely oily skin and you want to tame your skin, then you can use this serum. This serum will give you the best benefits. So the next question that arrives is like how to use this serum. Very simple, very straightforward. First of all, you have to take this serum and cleanse your face and then apply 2 to 3 drops and then evenly spread it. Let it get absorbed. When you touch your skin, you should feel not sticky, but it should be dry. Then you can go ahead with other steps that can be moisturizing or another application of another serum. This serum has to completely get absorbed. This salicylic acid has to get absorbed, and this is how it's going to show the benefits. Or else you can use it in a different way. That is, you can apply this salicylic acid if your skin is very reactive. Then you can just apply 2 to 3 drops, let it sit on the skin for 10 minutes. Then you can wash off your face with a gentle cleanser, very gentle. And then you can go with the step of the skincare. So what are my thoughts about this whole formulation? I like this formulation. It is very similar to the ordinary one, but the ingredient list is totally different. And I do see that they have added antioxidants and they have added oligopeptide, which is like really good formulation to come up with as compared to the ordinary one. In my personal opinion, I like salicylic acids as a cleanser than a serum. So I don't have anything negative to say about this formulation. This formulation is perfect. I totally agree. I totally give it a thumbs up, and I would suggest everyone to try it out. If you have oily, acne prone skin, then this serum will give you the best results. And yeah, I think it's a good formulation in general. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you like this video, please make sure that you share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. It will help me as a YouTuber to grow. I'm already having 3,500 subscribers. I would like to have more. So let's aim for at least 10,000 subscribers, and please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.